Oh my goodness. Look at him. We're outside the patio. Hunter is eating his cupcake. Hi, baby. No, you stay right there. Hunter, look, you have frosting on your nose. You're so funny. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It crumbled into pieces. What? It crumbled into pieces and he doesn't know how to get it. Oh. Here. Oh, you're too funny. Oh, we need to give you a bath. Is it good? Yeah. Look at your face. It's awesome. Yeah. It's not every day we're gonna have cupcakes like this, okay? Cupcakes. Can you say mum? Do more? You want more? Show mommy more. Hunter, show me more. You want more? More. More.